This is the giveaway of giveaways on my channel. Like, I don't think I'll ever be able to top this, honestly. So, hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Araceli Chan DIY. Before I even say anything else, I want to let you know that I have two super amazing and exciting things coming for you in this video, and you don't want to miss any details. So make sure that you please stay right where you're at. Don't skip ahead. Bear with me, and you guys will find out what awesome things I have coming for you in this video. If this is your first time here, welcome, and thank you so much for joining me today. I would love it if you became part of this DIY family by subscribing to my channel and hitting that bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. Now, let me go ahead and step back about 6 months ago to the day tomorrow. I uploaded a video showing you guys how to make the perfect vision board, and I am blown away by the amount of support, encouragement, and just the most beautiful words that I've gotten in any video that I've ever made. It's over 100,000 views, and I feel like that video was super helpful to so many people, and it was something that I worked on that was truly from the heart, and just something that I wanted to show you guys how to really work and try to manifest what you want. So in that video, I shared with you guys 5 helpful tips to create the perfect vision board. I do want to share a few things that have come true on that vision board. It hasn't been a full year, but already I'm seeing the results of what I did. Before I go into all those details of what has happened in my life that have made my vision board like literally the perfect vision board, the creator of the Possible Life Vision Board book reached out to me and asked me if I would be part of launching his book, which is launching exactly today, July 1st. Myself, I like doing a mini version of a vision board in my journal so I can carry it around with me, and anytime I'm doing any planning or anything like that, I can see everything that I'm trying to work for. But you guys, this book is amazing, and I'm gonna go ahead and dig into it so you guys can see how easy it is to create your own vision board without an actual board. It does have a spiral bind on it, and you can take it out of the pocket in it. There's going to be several tabs on here for you. Just like I guided you guys on how to make the perfect vision board, he also guides you on how to get started. You're going to find explanations on how you can start working on your book, so you're not going to be confused as to what you need to do. Everything is pretty much put out here for you to learn, so that everything you put into this book really comes true for you. So the different tabs that you're going to find in this book are related to your personal and self-care, your mental and spiritual life, your financial and business endeavors, your relationships with your friends and your family, and then also your physical health. So in each subject, you're gonna have a page where you can write down everything you have, so your reason why of why you're working on this specific subject, your affirmations, and your top 5 goals. And this is what makes it so important that you have something that you can carry along with you, because it's not something that you do every once in a while, but you do write down your goals every single week. After that week has passed, you can reflect on everything that you worked for. It really does help keep you organized and help you reflect on what you can change or what you can do differently to make sure that you accomplish every single goal you have. So we have all of our week pages here. Space for your notes, anything that you want to write down. Also has a bucket list of things that you want to accomplish. Now that you have a little bit of insight of what's inside this book, you can take those same 5 tips that I gave you on how to create the perfect vision board and apply it to this book. You can create your very own vision board inside of this book as well. So it's not just about writing stuff down. You can get creative. You can add whatever image it is that you want that's going to bring you everything that you want and that you're working for. When you open up the tab that you're working on, you're going to see that there's going to be an area for you to create your very own collage. You can use stickers, you can use pictures, anything that you want that's going to reflect what you envision, that's what you're going to set on here. After your year of successes and everything else, you're going to put all of the images of everything that came true. For example, next year I'm going to be making sure that I'm going to put my house, my car, and my YouTube play button right here, because that's exactly what came true after working on my vision board. The next thing that I have for you guys, I am so excited. Like, I honestly can't even believe it myself that this is happening, and it's not even gonna happen to me, it's gonna happen to you guys. So my husband was awesome enough to set me up with a collaboration with one of his old buddies. What I have to tell you about him is that his story is basically something that went from rags to riches. The reason I'm sharing him in this video is because it has everything to do with this whole vision board and working for your goals and striving to succeed. It's manifesting everything you've ever wanted in your life. So what I can tell you guys about Oscar, even though this is a guy who is very successful financially, he literally came from nothing. He was not well off. He grew up in the hood, and he grew up with people constantly making him believe that he was gonna amount to nothing. I can truly say that this guy's living his best life. He can fulfill all his aspirations to travel the world, is going to so many different places. He is giving back. And today he's actually sponsoring that trip for 2 of you guys. All right, I know you want to know what this giveaway entails. 2 lucky people are going to be winning a 3-day trip to Las Vegas. Flights paid, hotel paid, and maybe a little extra spending money as well. Hello? Who doesn't want to go to Vegas for free? Wait, can I go to Vegas too? This is the giveaway of giveaways on my channel. Like, I don't think I'll ever be able to top this, honestly. So, to enter this giveaway, it's really super simple. It is going to be open to US residents only. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Go subscribe to Oscar's channel. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram at Unboxed Designs, and then also follow the Wolf of Las Vegas. There is a post on our Instagram right now, so make sure you guys check it out, follow that post, and follow whatever we say on there, and you guys will be eligible. So this giveaway is gonna close on July 16th. We will announce a winner shortly after. I will make sure that you're connected with Oscar because he's gonna be the one that's taking care of all of the Vegas details. Honestly, he's the one that's sponsoring the entire trip. The trip will be set up for September, so it'll give you a month and a half to prepare. Make sure to put everything down below in case I did forget to mention it. Let me tell you about my best friend. This is my 2019 vision board, and I can honestly say that I put my heart and soul into it. And although it's only been 6 months, a lot of the things that I put on here are coming true, and I feel like I'm this close to achieving the rest. Maybe not this year, but it's setting me up for next year. Not me, I don't want to say me, it's setting my family up to accomplish some of the bigger things, knowing that some of them were not going to happen exactly in 2019, but I was setting myself up for that when 2020 comes, that I will be able to accomplish every last one of these goals. One of the things that I did accomplish was to be able to set my blog live. I worked for a year to prepare it, and it's up and running, and you know, I'm hopeful for this part of my life to grow and grow. I'm so excited because one of the things that I really wanted for all of us was to take a vacation, and this summer we're gonna be taking a 10-day vacation. I am so close to getting the silver play button, and it's because of each and every one of you that has trusted in my channel and gone on with the shenanigans that I have for you guys. And this ties to this, that ties to this. My main goal for my side hustles was to become my own boss. Right now I only work part-time. By the time this year ends, I will be working solely from home and being able to do more of this and more of that. You don't have to wait for Monday. You don't have to wait for whatever else to work on everything that you want to attain. And so I hope that this gives you guys a little bit of inspiration to work on those goals. I'm so happy that you guys stuck around for this entire video. If you did, if you're at the end of this and you missed something, you gotta go back. You don't want to miss it. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for all of your support. If you did enjoy this video, I would love it if you give me a thumbs up. Leave me any comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to Oscar. Follow us on Instagram. Follow those rules. If you missed any of the rules, make sure you check the description box. Don't forget your 15% off on the fabulous vision board book. That's it for today. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.